Ever noticed your iPhone's photo widget showing no content available? You're not alone. Let's explore this common issue. This problem occurs when your Photos app isn't syncing properly. Let's dive into the quick solutions. First, ensure your device is updated. Check for software updates and settings to eliminate glitches. Next, verify your Photos app settings. Make sure the Show on Home Screen option is enabled. Restart your iPhone. This simple step often resolves many temporary issues, including widget errors. Finally, if problems persist, consider removing and re-adding the widget. This usually works wonders. Follow these steps, and your photo widget should be back to business in no time. Remember, keeping your iPhone updated and regularly checking app settings can prevent future issues. If your widget isn't showing what you love, make sure those photos are selected in your favorites. For further assistance, consult Apple's support or forums. You're never alone with tech problems. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.